What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner method. Before we get on to the video, let me show you the algorithms that you will be learning in this video. The first one is let me show it one more time. One more time. And let me show you the left hand version of this algorithm. So let's get to the video. So first step to do is to bring all of the white edge pieces to the yellow side like this piece. So let's bring that. Now we have the white 4 edge piece on the yellow side. Now align it and scroll it to the white side. So the white cross has been done. The next step to do is to bring all of the white corner pieces to the white side. To do that, first what we want to do is to align a white piece with its centers like this, and then see that white piece has which colors. Match it with the colors of the center piece, these two. After I match it, do this. Do the same up to the white pieces on bottom. Now the white piece is on its place. We should repeat the same thing to get all of the white pieces to its place. Match it. This piece has orange and blue, and match it to orange and blue. And do so it's on its place. Next is white, green and orange. It's on its place already. In its place. And then match the white, blue and red piece to its colors, blue, red. Do the same. So now the white and first layer have been done. Next step to do is to solve second layer edge piece. This. To do that, first you need to take a edge piece which does not have yellow on any of its side. So this piece, and then match it with its center piece like that. and see if this piece needs to go to here or to here. So now this piece needs to go to the left. So do you move and put it on the right and do this. So it's on its place. And now let's look at another piece. Here this piece and this piece needs to go to the right. So turn the cube to the left opposite and do the right first. And then do the left. And it's on its place. Here's another piece. This piece needs to go to the left. So I turn the cube. When the piece needs to go to left, I do the left hand first. Then do the right hand. You may run into this situation as well. This edge piece may be flipped. How to make it correct? It's easy. Put a yellow colored edge piece on its place. Do it in the same way as you do before. This piece needs to go to right. I put it on the left. Do right first and then do left first. And now it's on the top. Match it. This needs to go to right, left, and it's on its place. The white side has been done, first layer has been done, and the second layer has been done. The next step is to get yellow cross on the yellow side. Now we may run into 3 cases on the top. Case number 1 is you will get a vertical line like this. What to do is to hold it horizontal and do the following algorithm. Now we have the yellow cross. The next case you will run on into is that you will have 2 HPs on the top like this. Hold it like a 9 o'clock position and do this. Now the yellow cross have been done. Another case you may run on into is that you may have only a dot. Hold it on any side and do this. Now they have the vertical line. Hold it vertical and do this. Now the yellow cross have been done. The next step to do is to match the yellow corner pieces to its color like this. So let's see if there is any matching color. Matches. Doesn't match. Doesn't match. Doesn't match. We need 2 matching colors to do. So we need 2 matching colors. So that is not, then turn the cube and see if there is any. Not, then also turn the cube. Now we have 2 matching colors, this and this. When you have 2 matching colors on the same side, hold them at the left and then do this. Now all the colors will be matched. The next case you may run on into is that however you turn, you will have two pieces matched but they are diagonal to each other. How to solve it? It's same as that. First, do the same you did for the last case. And then what you will see is that there will be two matching colors on the left. Do what you will do. Now all the colors of the yellow pieces will be matched. The next step to do is to hold it so that the white is at the top, and make sure that there is an yellow piece at your bottom right, and then do this up to the yellow side is on its place. Now the yellow piece is on its place, so don't turn the cube like this. Put another yellow piece to the right and do the same. Now the white side will be solved and the yellow side also will be solved. Next step to do is to align all the yellow corners to its place. To do that, first if you have any fully solved side like this, hold it at the front and do this. One time. Now the cube will be solved. The cube now also have not solved, then do the same one more time and your cube will be solved. Another case we may run into is that none of the colors have been solved. How to solve it? Do the same. Right one time, left one time, right 5 times, and left 5 times. Now one side will be solved. Now hold it at the front and do the same. Cube will be solved. Hope you had learned how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the thumbs up button and catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.